Hey guys, this is Steve at Internet City Computers, Detroit, here again with my channel Fix It Right. Just want to show you how to change these new LCDs. They glue them in with this like Scotch tape, two-sided tape, and the way that you get them out is you have to find the end of the tape and stretch it, and that relieves the LCD so you can put a new one in. Okay, I'm going to show you real quick how to do it. So here we have an Asus laptop. They're all pretty much the same. You got to pull the bezel off, which I snapped it off. And then some of the tape, the access tab is on the top. Some of the tape, the access tab is on the bottom. This one's on the top, so I'm just going to reach in and grab it. You got to be careful you don't break it. If you break it, then it's a done deal. You can't get to it, and you're going to have a hell of a time getting the screen out. So once you get it, gently pull it up until you figure out which way is the least resistance. And this one keeps wanting to break on me. And then just kind of ease it up like that. Slow. And it's going to release the adhesive strip. I already did the other side. And then, here we go. Bam. And then the screen falls out. That's all you got to do. And then to put it back together, I just use some 3M two-sided tape, and we're good to go. So I hope that helped. If it did, give us a thumbs up, like our channel, subscribe, and come on back for more videos of Fix It Right. And I hope that helps you change your LCD screen where you can save a couple bucks. Anyways, until next time, adios.